What's up guys, my name is Luke from Archerwood, style consultancy and pre-owned menswear store. So you've probably heard there's a couple of big films that have come out in the last week, and on the one hand you've got the fun, light-hearted comedy with a sickly pink hue of Barbie, and then you've got the dark gloominess of Oppenheimer. Both have been making waves in terms of the menswear scene when it comes to the actors and the premieres. GQ have done a little comparison and like a Barbenheimer standoff. So I thought we should go for that and then compare who's got the best fits, because it looked like quite an interesting idea. So before we get into it, please remember to like and subscribe because it really helps to grow the store and the channel. Also do check out the store archeronwards.com for pre-owned menswear. We've got these things, tailoring, all sorts, all pre-owned. I also offer a style consultancy service, so if you're interested in like either a one-on-one sort of like hour online session to a full sort of wardrobe overhaul personal shopping service, I offer that as well. So archeronwards.com for that. But yeah, let's get into it. So we've got GQ here, we've got the Barbenheimer page comparing, as you can see, the very different vibes that are going on. You've got Cilian Murphy, I'm reliably told that that's how you pronounce it, by the way, and Ryan Gosling. So the darkness, the even like super tan Gos, and the kind of pale Cilian. Cilian's in his, I think that's a Prada outfit that he's wearing there, and Gucci for Gosling. So like battling, already they're battling. Let's go. So this is the red carpet. Looks, Gosling's wearing that pink set. So for a pink outfit, right? I really like this. There's no way I can get this up full. Like, I like the flowy shirt. I like the structure of the suit. I love like strong shoulders. It's very Gucci. It's I love the structure of the shirt. Even like the hue of the pink isn't like too disgusting. Like the carpet at the background. I don't like the shoes in particular. I'm not a big fan of them. But pairing shoes with this is tough. So as far as a Barbie outfit goes, this is a pretty good one. And yeah, it just shows he can pull off quite a lot. Next we've got Michael Cera in this linen look. This is a bit more palatable because of the linen texture to the suit. So like you could see that suit out and about, I'm sure. The shoes are better, I think, with the suede. I definitely do prefer that. And the suit is nice. The suit's a nice, it's a nice cut. It's got a very kind of like summery boat owner Italian villa vibe, so I quite like that. Next we have Simu Liu in Versace. I'll never understand the harness thing. It's just it's too gimmicky for me. The trousers are a nice cut. Like the shoes, I do like the shoes. I don't know which jacket. He's got his jacket slung over his shoulder, so it depends what that looks like. But yeah, not a big fan of the harness. We've got Phineas in Saint Laurent, and that's a really nice suit. It looks really soft and flowy as well. Yeah, I like this. Soft shoulders. The shirt is kind of a wild pattern, but it mixes really well with that suit. Yeah, I'm a fan of this, and I like the shoes also. Kingsley Ben-Adir next, and I'm not particularly a fan of this. Like, I like the trousers because like pleated high-waisted-ish trousers, mid to high trousers. I like the shoes, but it's just the block of the trousers, shoes, and shirt, like all black, and then with the I just don't like the jacket. Actually, it's like this shawl lapel jacket with the piping. I don't think it goes that well. It's also really off theme, like really off theme. So maybe I'm just like Stockholm syndrome already to this pink. Back on theme, we've got Scott Evans. A bit boxy for my liking as the jacket. I like the lapels. I don't like that shade of pink. It's like sorbet, strawberry sorbet colour. I don't like the shoes. It's just the colour. It's hard to see past the colour. It's hard to be harsh because this is it's a theme. Mark Ronson next, and I like it's an interesting colour palette. Like, I quite like it, the colours, but I don't like the really elongated look. It's like Yeah, I don't. It looks just. I don't know. I don't really like the elongated look. I quite like the trousers and the shoe mix, but yeah, that's just I think the jacket just doesn't do it for me. Oh, this is wild. What's this? Right, this look. I'm going to butcher his name, so I'll just call him Solo. I think this is hard for me because I'm like, it's not my thing. I don't want to like. That's not my thing. Kind of like the satininess to it. Kind of fun. I like the boots. But yeah, just general, it's just not my thing. Andrew Wyatt in. It's a nice suit. It's like it's on theme. It's not too crazy. Like it's got that little shine to it. So you got premiere. Like the shoes are okay. The shoes are nice. He just doesn't look too happy. Versace, again, like for this one, it's just not my thing. Yeah, I guess it's Barbie. Like if you're gonna do it, like if you're gonna wear that look, it's very on theme. So there's points for that for sure. Gronk, right? Rob Gronkowski. So I don't know anything about American sports. I think he's American sports. This is just wild. Like the suit itself, big lapels, soft shoulders. I quite like. There's a tie issue. There's a collar. The tie and the shirt make the suit look bad. Like, doesn't fit him right. But he's a huge guy, so it's a big. He looks like. I'm pretty sure he's a huge guy. He's it's getting the proportions right is not easy. But that's the only thing. Like the suit itself's quite nice. I think that tie shirt combo with the suit, because of the soft shoulders, you need to get that. Yeah, you need to get that tie. Why has he got also all black to a Barbie event? Jeremy Scott, right? Yeah. It's not my thing. But I mean, this is. Yeah, it's just not my thing. This is better. I like this. Blake Gray. Like this. Yeah, it's nice. Like as in on theme. It's obviously all white suit, but I like the texture of the vest and the trousers make it just that little bit different. There's also, I think, some pinstripes to the jacket. I like there's like a soft shoulder jacket and slimish, but then there's like wide trousers. It gives it quite a cool look. And I think the shoes go well with it. Like, yeah, it's right. Benito Skinner. Nah, it's the collar thing. It's just, it's not one for me. This is this is a CEO suit, isn't it? CEO of Mattel. Yeah, this is what CEO is. But it's nice. It's nice. It's just like, it's a business suit, but with a pink pocket square. It's alright. Like, there's a few adjustments I'd like to make to it, and it's got like really. Are they like boots he's wearing with? I'll probably change that. But I mean, it's not really like a red carpet look. Right, we've got Gosling again. I like this. I mean, it's a nice little knitted cardigan thing. It's just a simple, nice look for anyone. Michael Sarah again. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Both of those, as casual looks go, these are just nice, good fits. This nice mix of like a nice indigo overshirt, high-waisted trousers. Personally, the socks aren't for me, but I think overall it's a nice look. And then Gosling again. We're gonna have to go through this because this is just Will Ferrell looking like American Dad. Yeah, I mean it's a dad suit, isn't it? Really, it's kind of like business suit. I don't know what to say. If I don't want to too badly. I don't want to critique Will Ferrell's fit too much. I don't know. I mean, it's a business suit. He's not trying to be extravagant or anything like that at all. It'd be nice if he did try to dress up a little bit, but he's Will Ferrell. I would probably not go for the trainers, but still, it's cool. So this is Jamie O'Harris. I mean, you're at a Barbie premiere, but still, you can wear a black tie trench coat. I like the boots. The boots are very cool. We're seeing a lot more skinnier ties now. We're seeing a little bit more of that. Not necessarily skinny suits, but we're seeing a lot of skinny ties. That sort of like, hopefully not going back too much to that, but I don't mind seeing like that clean black suit, black tie look that much. Just hope we're not going skinny. Right, we're on Oppenheimer now. Okay, so we've got Matt Damon and a nice suit. I like the lapels. He's just paired it with a white t-shirt. I hate those shoes. The tan shoes are not for me, but everything else I quite like. Like I said, it's a nice suit. The lapels make it for me, but yeah, the shoes not for me. Cilian in this Prada fit, I think it is. I really like it. They've actually got the tiniest lapels, which is, if you've watched me, I like a bigger lapel. But I think it's the outfit overall which is the most important thing, and he's nailed it. So I like the high-waisted trousers of it. I can't really see the shoes because it's too dark on my screen. But that mixing of that sort of beige tie and shirt is really interesting. It makes a really boring colour really interesting. Mixed with the suit, it's obviously on theme for Oppenheimer. It's dark, it's interesting. It's a little bit like military maybe as well with the colour. The portions of the tie is nice, and yeah, as a whole overall look, which is I think it's a really good example of lapel might be for my particular liking, but the overall look is the most important thing, and that's what works here. Robert Downery Jr. Not particularly. The shininess of the satin tie and the lapels. It's not particularly for me. I like his glasses. I can't make my mind up about the suit. The lapels, I know they're meant to be it's a kind of it's a design feature of the suit, because it's not like an old-fashioned looking suit. I like the color of it. I like the blue. But yeah, I'm not sure. I know I don't like the satin tie. But I don't mind the suit overall. This is Christopher Nolan, obviously the director, and he's just really not a lover of the suit. This is a really old school suit. The lapels kind of do nothing. I think the tie's okay. The contrast buttons I don't really like. I don't really like the pale grey with the white, and he's got lighter hair, lighter complexion, just drowns him out, washes him out a bit. And the suit as a whole is boxy, and there's nothing about it. So yeah, not one for me. This is nice. He's a well-dressed as Jason Clarke. Beautiful. I think this is Anglo-Italian, this suit. I know he's worn them before. And yeah, double-breasted suit. I think it looks like a knitted tie. Simple, well proportioned, really nice lapels, classic look, and yeah, he looks great. So this is Makobe. Again, it's not really my style. It's something that's I don't want to put my input onto it too much. I really like his glasses though, and he looks like he's enjoying himself. Okay, so this is Jeremy Dethalot. I'm going to butcher these names. So no, this is okay. I like the pattern and the colour of this shirt. Is it on theme? So with the look before, it's orangey theme. So is it Oppenheimer colour theme, which is important if you think about the scenario you're in. Clean black t-shirt, nice neckline. It's alright. I mean, it's not particularly my style, but I like the shirt. This is wild. Nick Van Kolk. It's not one for me. It's not really my style. I feel like I can't put my input to it because it's a lot. I don't like the colour. It's not something I would wear, and I do appreciate different styles and looks. It's just I don't want to put my 2 pence in when it's not my genre. It's not my speciality. So So this is a bit more of a toned down look from Robert Downery Jr. Really hate the trainers with it. The suit itself's okay. Like, suit's quite nice. Good look good at the Barbie premiere. By Damon. He's got the same trousers and boots on, maybe boots on as before, I think. This kind of belt. I like the shoes. Trousers are a nice height. The shirt's a bit loose and big, but he might be bulked, because I know he does a bit of lifting, but I'm not too sure. So Christopher Nolan again. Yeah, it's better than before. Like, I like the soft blazer's quite nice, but the Cilian in his high-waisted trousers and thick cardigan, nice white t-shirt. It's a clean look. It's a simple but clean look. Again, dark for the theme. And I think that's it. So yeah, interesting for sure. So after going through it, in my head, I'm thinking, of course, Oppenheimer's going to win because it's darker. You know, the colour is so important. But I think the structure of the suits of the Barbie guys was pretty damn good. If you think of Marcus Sarah, Ryan Gosling, it's just obviously wild colours. So they did the best with what they had to work with. Oppenheimer, Cilian Murphy killed it, as did Jason Clarke. But they were putting the weight there. Like, Cilian Murphy, I think just for his fits alone might tip it for me. Jason Clarke might be the one that does with the double-breasted suit. So we'll go Oppenheimer, but I think that the effort was really made by the Barbie lot. They really put a strong showing. They dedicated themselves with the structure of the suits and everything. And if it wasn't for the colour, maybe it'd have gone their way. But anyway, let me know what you think. Who was your favourite fits? Also, which film would you go to as well? Because I've already got my tickets booked for the Oppenheimer IMAX thing. Do check out our store, archonwards.com, for pre-owned menswear. And if you're interested in the style consultancy, please also like and subscribe, because it really helps me grow the store and the channel. And any questions, hit me up. It's hello@archonwards.com. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.